It's officially confirmed. In Sevastopol, the Ukrainian defense forces successfully hit the large landing ships Yamal and Azov, a communications center and several infrastructure facilities of the Russian Black Sea Fleet, the General Staff reported. OSINT technical reports that at least 3 Storm Shadow missiles hit the main communications center of the Russian Black Sea Fleet. According to the OSINT technical project, military units of missile gunners and FSB are also located there. Last night, the most massive attack for the entire time of the special military operation was carried out on Sevastopol, official Russian channels wrote. According to the occupation authorities of the peninsula, allegedly, the air defense system shot down several dozen missiles, including British Storm Shadow missiles, on their approach to the city. The occupiers confirmed that the main communications center of the Russian Black Sea Fleet was the target of the attack. According to Russian media, 34 military personnel were killed, 40 wounded, and 3 Su-27 airplanes were damaged at the Belbek airfield. Russian mill blogger and probable war criminal 13th confirms the destruction of the ships Azov and Yamal, as well as the strike on the command center in Sevastopol. He also laments that the Black Sea Fleet is no more. He then deleted this post shortly after posting. Ukrainian Storm Shadow cruise missiles hit and destroyed 2 112-meter-long large Ropucha-class landing ships in Crimea last night. Both Azov and Yamal were destroyed. The Russian Black Sea Fleet has practically no landing ships left. And that's not all. Meanwhile, in Russian-occupied Crimea, local media report that an oil depot is on fire after an attack. For the Russians killed and injured in the Crocus City Hall shopping center is written on the Grad rockets that Russia's invading army is firing into Ukraine today. At least here, Putin's propaganda of Ukrainian involvement in the Moscow attack has had a full impact. The President Zelensky. Instead of addressing his citizens, Putin stayed silent for a day, thinking how to get Ukraine involved in this.
Вчора ще все це сталося, і ця нікчема абсолютно Путін, замість того, щоб займатися своїми громадянами Росії, звертатись до них, добу мовчав, думав, як це притягнути до України. Все абсолютно передбачено. Тих сотень тисяч росіян, які зараз вбивають на українській землі, точно вистачило би, щоб зупинити будь-яких терористів. І якщо росіяни готові мовчки вмирати в Крокуса та не ставити жодних питань своїм спецслужбам, то Путін ще не одну таку ситуацію спробує повернути на користь своїй особистій владі.
The Polish Ministry of Defense has now confirmed that at least 1 Russian long-range cruise missile briefly entered Polish airspace tonight over the town of Oserdał and remained there for roughly 39 seconds before it was redirected towards its final target in the Ukrainian region of Lviv. The missile is claimed to have been tracked by air defense radars the entire time it was within Polish airspace, and that all necessary precautions were taken to protect the territory of Poland during tonight's Russian missile attack against western Ukraine. This is so profound and scary at the same time. In 1995, the president of Ichkeria, Chechnya, Dzhokhar Dudayev, predicted everything that is happening today. He was assassinated by Russia the next year.
Украина еще схлестнется с Россией на непримиримых. Пока русизм существует, он никогда не откажется от своих амбиций. Вот сейчас вот славянская там под этой маркой хотят подмять, как и в прежние времена, опять Украину, Белоруссию, окрепнуть и там далее. Теперь с Россией никто и в союзе военном, не только военном, и в экономическом, и в политическом, и даже в торговом отношении никто не хочет быть. Уж хорошо изучили. Так же, как весь мир боролся с фашизмом. Такая же борьба идет сейчас и с русизмом. Будет усиливаться эта борьба. И напрасно русские думают, что сейчас армией своей, уголовниками, ядерным оружием запугают мир, человечество не запугают уже. Уже все пуганы, Все прошли этот ад русизма, и русских поставят в строй земной цивилизации. Или его не будет как государства, или она должна будет стать в строй мирового сообщества. И русские теперь на весь мир оголенные, не только внешне, голые стоят перед миром, но и вывернутые наизнанку, до их кишков. Весь мир увидел, что такое русский русизм, и насколько он опасен для человечества. Убивают жителей мирных, ничем не защищенных. Ничем не защищенных. Приходят, убивают, причем как? С расстояния недосягаемого, с воздуха и с артиллерийским огнем сносят с лица земли, потом приходят в этот населенный пункт или город и начинают насиловать и мародерствовать. Вывозят все, вплоть до грязного женского белья. Русизм страшнее фашизма, нацизма, расизма, всех человеконенавистнических делов. Единственный, наверное, народ на земле, вообще ни во что не верующий, бездуховный, безнравственный и отстал.
And back to Russian terrorism. In Kharkiv, all substations as well as the heating and power center are destroyed. Kharkiv Mayor Ihor Terekov said on the air of the telethon. There is no answer to the question of how long the restoration work will go on. There is no answer. Repair crews are working, but very serious destruction. All transformer substations are destroyed. The TPP is destroyed, he said. Earlier, Terekov told that less than half of Kharkiv citizens now have electricity. The Ministry of Energy said that hourly shutdowns work in the city. Now in Kharkiv, less than half of the residents have light. 40% of the population, the mayor said. There is also heating in 60% of apartments, and water supply has been restored in almost all residential buildings. And for the end, a human side. A lady in Kiev subway comforts her scared cat while they hide from the Russian missile attack this morning.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.